If you're a Kentucky homeowner, 2022 is your last chance to go solar. In December of 2020, Congress passed an extension to the Solar Investment Credit, which pays homeowners an average of $9,880 to install solar panels. See how much you can be paid for going solar by taking the Go Solar quiz below. Time for a secret. The Solar Investment Credit is the reason so many of your neighbors have gone solar, and it expires this year. Not all homes qualify, so click on the link below and take the 27-second solar quiz. This quiz will verify if your home is eligible. In addition to the Solar Investment Credit, the state also offers tax breaks for installing solar. Because the government and your utility company both offer different green energy incentives, it's almost impossible to understand which ones are applicable to you. Click the link below and take the 27-second solar quiz and find out exactly what is available at your home.